Once you try these Brussels sprouts, you're not going to want to try them any other way. This will be a great Thanksgiving side dish or just a side dish on a regular schmegular degular day. Get your Brussels sprouts and we're going to halve them and then we're going to wash them in a little bit of water and baking soda. Once that's done, you're going to drain it and then you're going to rinse it out again to make sure all that baking soda is gone. After that, we're going to get you a nice bowl with some ice water so you can make an ice bath for the Brussels sprouts. Blanch your Brussels sprouts in boiling water for about a minute or two just so it can keep that vibrant green color if you're sauteing it, or so it can keep that green color if you're baking it, because if you bake it, it's going to turn brown. We're going to put together our vinaigrette, which is going to be some white wine vinegar, a little bit of basil or pesto, salt, pepper, olive oil, and brown sugar. You don't have to use brown sugar, but I use a little bit because it takes the bitterness away from the Brussels sprouts. Once that's all combined, you're going to mix it up before you put it on top of the Brussels sprouts. If you don't want to use this, you can use a balsamic vinaigrette that's already made. I forgot to add the brown sugar, so I'm going to add it right now. This doesn't really cause for measurement, but it's always going to be 3 tablespoons of olive oil to 1 tablespoon of vinegar and a vinaigrette. Go crazy. You can add whatever you want to add to it. Now you can saute this on top of the stove, but I chose to bake it. Put it in the oven on 450 for 30 minutes or until it's tender to the touch of a fork. Easy side dish to serve for your Friendsgiving or Thanksgiving dinner or Sunday dinner.